How would you like to treasure your most treasured memory inside a treasure map? I know that I've been playing with that as a kid and I love drawing these little maps. And now that we have AI, why won't we let it do it for us? So today our activity is to create a treasure map of your adventure, of a trip you took, of one you're planning, sharing beautiful memories with people, and we're gonna do it in a really cool style. So welcome to the AI Goddesses activity. We do this every week with different activity and different tools. And if you don't know what this is the AI Goddesses community. It's a community for women to learn about AI together in a playful way. No fear, no overwhelm, no needed experience. You've got this, and we're here to support you. I'm the founder of Faye. I used to be a software architect, and now I'm an AI educator. I help people to unlock their AI powers, and I do this through AI coaching, AI workshops, speaking, and as well as this community, my favorite passion project, and I hope you share it with your friends. So let's get started. We're going to use Copilot today. It's one of my favorite tools. It's by Microsoft, copilot.microsoft.com, and you can see that it actually uses the ChatGPT model under the hood. So we're actually getting access to ChatGPT images, but for free. So let's go. You need to sign in. If you're on the website, it will be on your sidebar at the bottom. You can sign in with any account. And you can also use their app, they're great. Now that we've signed in, we're going to go to our message, and we're going to just type in our prompt. I'm going to show you what we're going to create today with a guiding prompt to help you. So I've prepared a prompt for us. We're going to create maps today about our adventures. So the prompt is very simple, but it's going to give the AI structure to understand what we want. So I'm going to say create a map in the style I want. Here you put in whatever your style, like treasure map, or maybe an explorer map, or maybe a theme park. And then you say just about what. Here you just detail your adventure, say what you're going to do or what you did, and what you want to appear inside your map, or just some details. Just fill in your experience. You can speak freely. This is AI, you can record if you don't like to type. So you can give a long description here and it's fine. Even helpful. So I'm going to replace this with my adventure. There we go. We can also make it bigger. There we go. So create an explorer treasure map about my vacation. We're going to drive in Thailand from Koh Phangan to Krabi. It's supposed to be on Nang. And stop at Khao Sok. This is my drive. This is a very simple description, but it's gonna be fun. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let it create it. Since I said create a treasure map, it kind of understands that I want to create an image. If it doesn't understand you immediately, you can add to the prompt create an image, or just tell it please create the image for me. Once your image is ready, we can click on it to take a better look. Oh, so beautiful. I love this style. Wow. I'm gonna download it so we can zoom in. It's this little button. So you can see it starts in Koh Phangan. Oh, what a beautiful depiction. Going to Khao Sok. Journey to Thailand with the monkeys that are here, and the elephant, and the houses on the lake. I've seen them. They're so cute. Some jungle adventures. Going to Anang with these beautiful cliffs. That's right, and it added like a treasure map elements for me. Oh, this is so cute with the tuk-tuks. Amazing, love this. This is an awesome map, another interpretation for my adventure, the same one I did in the apps example that we did 2 weeks ago. And you can see it gave me a landscape map, and it's random if you want specifically portrait or landscape, so you just ask the AI. Now let's see another example. What if I'm giving it a really long story? This is about my experience from Phu Quoc, an amazing island in Vietnam, which they built like these crazy parks and tourist attractions there. And in this case, you can see that I've started with a more specific theme. I said fairy tale theme park, which I love the maps in the theme parks. I think they're so fun. So I really want that style. And the fairy tale is like the little personal touch, because theme park can have many styles, right? This is about AI not being able to guess what we want. We actually have to say it. So I try to be specific and visualize my vision for my map. And in the about, you see, it's everything here is the about. So I just went off and talked to the AI, and I told it, like I just told you, about my island adventure in Phu Quoc, where I spent 2 weeks in the north, in this Wonderland, Disneyland kind of park, which they did like Venice with shows every night. And I went to the south to a place called Sunset Town, which is a neighborhood that looks like the Amalfi Coast, sitting on the ocean, and is built for like Instagram photos. And from there, I went to this amazing island that had a water park, and it has amazing cable car ride that is actually like 20 minutes long, and is the most fun I've had on a cable car. It's the experience in itself. So I just went off and talked about my adventure and the stuff that excited me. And you can see that it did create my beautiful map with like the fairy tale theme and with the fantasy kingdom in the enchanted north. It did the little Venice, like I said, and the beautiful cable car in the middle with the view and the water park and the sunset town. Wow, this is gorgeous. So you can be also very specific if you'd like. Give it a few tries. Let's go over some quick troubleshooting advice. If something goes wrong, for example, you sent the prompt, but there's no image, you can't load your image here. So in this case, you can wait a minute first, because sometimes it takes a moment for something to sync. If you can't find your chat or your image, give it a minute. But you can also see in your sidebar in your library, you can see all the images it generates. If it still doesn't work, simply start a new chat and put your prompt in again here. If nothing works, log out and log in again. It's been a really fun experience for me. You can see all your images in your library. And I created a few more stuff, like a much more detailed description of my trip from Koh Phangan, with some asking for recommendations of places to see and fun facts. And this it even drew like the scenic drive. I love this so much. And you can see I have a tropical adventure style. Really, this is such a fun way to bring the experience in from my perspective, in the way that I've experienced this. Like the cable car has been so meaningful for me, and it's in the center, and it's all things that give me fun and warm memories. So I can't wait to see yours as well and share our adventures. Thank you so much for joining me today. You've got this. You've just watched me do this step by step. And now you're going to do it yourself and create amazing maps that I hope to see when you share them in the WhatsApp group. So remember, put in your prompt, write about your adventure, and you can add in your style. And you can make more. It doesn't have to be the perfect one. Just enjoy the collaboration with AI. It's going to make some amazing things. Come and join us again next week, whether you're in a local chapter, which is so nice, thank you, and thank you for your lovely host, or whether you're joining us online. We make a new activity each week and we learn something different, and we develop with the AI as well. So let's share this learning spirit, and let's make AI knowledge common and usable for women all over the world. So after you do your activity, you're welcome to read more about us in our website and see our amazing events. We have 3 local chapters in Thailand and Vietnam, and more coming soon. We have amazing resources that will help you get started with AI and some of my favorite tool recommendations. So stay in touch, share with us in the group, and I hope to see you in the next week as well.